The reason why I'm walking on a tightrope, actually. I cannot afford to be brave in the mouth against China because, well, we are avoiding any confrontation. At a confrontation that would lead to something which we can hardly afford. At least not at this time. Kaya ako naman sa Amerika, well, in the past, marami silang ang paghihinakit ko rin. We ask so much of them because they have taken so much from us. Libre sila to advance their troops in our land. Okay lang yan sa akin. But we do not like it because we want to remain neutral. We do not want to quarrel with anybody.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.